So today I want to talk about dupes and alternative products to the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Is it whipped? Yeah, whipped cream. Anyway, I've got quite a lineup of alternative products, so I'm just going to talk about some ones maybe more affordable, larger packaging, things like that, or easier to get where you live, because this one is kind of pricey, although not as expensive as some other Drunk Elephant products. So I will mention today I had a dupe video, or it was alternatives to the SK2 Essence. They're like $100 Essence, and someone left a comment, "Oh, I bet you've never even tried it. How can you say these are better?" And it's like, dude, what are you, like 5 years old? I mean, I'm not going to do a video without having tested something. Whatever. Or like she was trying to imply that I couldn't afford it or something. It's so stupid. Like, anyway. Have you never seen my empties video? Because I have used several of them. But anyway, whatever. Maybe they just want to believe that the $100 one, because they're spending that much, is superior to some of these other ones that are like 1/10 of the price. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, okay, so dupes. Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. First up, I just reviewed this yesterday, DRMTLGY Soothe and Recovery Cream. I think this is what made me think that I should pull it out again, was I was testing the Drunk Elephant cream, trying to think of alternatives, and then this one came up. This one is 3 ounces, the real bottle, the tube. $39. Ceramides in here, vitamin E, Bisabolol, really nice product, and a lot more affordable, and twice the size, nearly, of the Lala cream. Next up, we've got this is a newer product, the Peace Out Repairing Moisturizer, Daily Blemish Repairing Moisturizer, 1.7 ounces, same size as the Drunk Elephant, for $28, so it's about $30 less. Bakuchiol in here, Ceramides, CoQ10, Passionfruit, Squalane. No fragrance, although it does have a little bit of a natural scent to it, which I asked Cameron what it smelled like, and he thought it smelled like Pledge. And I just didn't think it smelled very good. So, whatever. Not sure what's up with that, but it's still a good moisturizer. I'm using it today over my Melano CC Vitamin C Serum. Okay. Next up, the Paula's Choice Omega Complex Moisturizer. This one is really similar in terms of texture. It's got a kind of a thicker whipped texture to it. We've got lots of omega fatty acids, passion fruit, fatty acids, amino acids. So this is 1.7 ounces, same as Drunk Elephant. It retails for $36, so it's about $20 more affordable. So it's still a little pricey, and I have a feeling this won't get any more affordable as the days pass after this video is released. Okay, next up I've got the La Roche Posay Toleraine Ultra Night Cream for sensitive skin. This one's got Squalane, shea butter, niacinamide. The size 1.3 ounces, retails for $20, and it's got a pretty similar texture. They also have a daytime version of this, which is also pretty similar as well. So very similar texture, hydration in there. So, and much more affordable so far, the most affordable. Okay, next up we've got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is the new version that does not contain the essential oils, their reformulation of it. I just finished a smaller sample tube of it, so I had another one that I got in a set. So this one's got shea butter in here, niacinamide, ceramides, vitamin E, cucumber in here. The 2.25 ounce size retails for $49. Also have a jumbo size too, so which might be a little bit more affordable. And it's very similar, so. Okay, Paula's Choice has another product on the lineup today. That is their Clinical Ultra Rich Moisturizer. I've been using this one for quite some time. It's now in a new packaging where it's just a purple bottle, but this one has nearly an identical texture, in my opinion, to the Lala cream. A lot of people like to tout this as more similar to the Lala cream, but in my opinion, I really think this one is a bit better. Very good for very dry skin. Shea butter, ceramides, olive fruit oil, rice bran oil. 2 ounces, and it retails for $32. So it's a little bit more affordable than the Omega one, and a little bit thicker, and this one comes out a lot in the winter time for me. So, okay, next up, we've got the Topicals Like Butter Mask. Really good one. Green tea, madecasside, turmeric, rhubarb, amino acids, oatmeal, ceramides, and shea butter. And it retails, this is a full size 1.7 ounces, retails for $32. What I really like about this one, you can use it as a mask, rinse it off. You can use it as a sleeping mask. You can use it as a moisturizer. Some people do know it is prone to pilling, so sometimes that's why it's better to use sometimes in your evening routine. So kind of affordable there. Next up, we've got the Regimen Labs CREAM, which has a C, a dot, an R, a dot, an E, a dot, an A, a dot, an M, a dot. So what is it? I don't know. It stands for something, but I don't really know what at the top of my head. Maybe Ceramides, something. Anyway, so there we go. So I have the 1 ounce size, I believe, but they also have 1.7 ounce size, which retails for about $40. We've got Ceramides, cholesterol, Bisabolol, vitamin E, very, very, very thick texture. I don't necessarily use it over my entire face. I usually apply it to dry areas like around my mouth and around my eyes. But when my skin is very dry, I will apply it everywhere or mix a drop of oil, and it makes it a little bit easier to smooth over skin. Okay, next up we've got, not similar in texture at all, but similar in terms of ingredients. However, I do want to mention It Cosmetics has a tendency to throw in every single ingredient possible in their products. So, therefore, they come up as dupes a lot. But it is their It Cosmetic Confidence in a Gel Lotion, which is fragrance-free. A lot of their products have a lot of fragrance in them. This one does not. We got aloe, ceramides, glucose, collagen in here. 2.5 ounces, retails for $43. So this one is going to be like 50% bigger than the Drunk Elephant, and it's $43. So it's still pricey, but you get more. So there we go. And I will say, have you ever gotten a sample of this? Like, Ulta will throw in samples of things as a gift with purchase. And the sample of this is literally like microscopic, like Barbie size, like it would fit in Barbie's hand. I don't know how you're going to try something with... the sample's just so small. Whatever. Okay, next up we've got the Kate Somerville Delicate Moisturizer. Not necessarily more affordable. It's actually the same size. It's a little bit more expensive. But I do put this on this list because if you can get it on sale, it's a good deal. This is a sample size. I think it's half an ounce. I just finished this. I got one as a gift with purchase and another as a gift with purchase. I'm like, wow, with 2 of them, I almost have the full size just as gift with purchases. Anyway, so I've got peptides in here, shea butter, ceramides, rice bran oil. So if you can get it on sale or half off or at TJ Maxx or something like that, it's a good alternative. Okay, next up we've got the Tarte Bubba Balm Moisturizer. Bubba Balm Moisturizer. I thought there was like another name with it, but whatever. Oh, sorry, it's kind of dirty in here, but okay, this one's 1.3 ounces, $39. Although Tarte has sales a lot of times on their skincare, you get 30% off, so that's when I would pick it up. But avocado oil, olive oil, green tea oil, extract, really nice product. Quite similar in texture to the Drunk Elephant Lala. Not necessarily identical ingredients, but very similar in texture and hydration that it offers. Next up, we've got the Soothe Peptide Moisturizer, which is another one very similar in texture. We've got aloe, peptides, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, green tea. Retails for $25 US for 1.7 ounces. But if you're in the US, you have to pay for shipping. But if you're in Australia, you can probably not pay for shipping or something. I don't know. But I really do like it, so. And then last but not least, we've got the Dermatology Peptide Night Cream, which is identical to the Dermstar Peptide Day Cream. How weird is that? They're 100% identical, but anyway, this one's 2 ounces for $46. Got peptides in here, ceramides, shea butter, vitamin E. Really wonderful product. Great texture, no fragrance. So anyway, so these are what I would consider some of the great alternatives to the Lala cream. So I'm curious if you have any alternatives that I haven't mentioned. I know the Acure Radically Rejuvenated Whipped Night Cream is very similar as well. So I want to point that one out as well. But anyway, leave a comment if you have a dupe that I haven't mentioned. Or if you notice, this one smells like Pledge. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much. Leave a comment. Love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Lincoln, just come say hi. Jody.